7 Habits for a Cleaner Kitchen. The kitchen is most important area at home. With this in mind, I've put together 7 of my favorite kitchen cleaning habits, things that have really helped over the years, and I hope will help you too. Number 1. Kitchen counters. Kitchen counters really set the stage for the rest of your kitchen, if they're cluttered. So, if you want your kitchen to look and feel clean, make sure that your counters look and feel clean too. First, make sure that there's no visual clutter on your counter. Think about removing anything that doesn't serve a very useful purpose. Secondly, check for stains and crumbs by using what we call the eye level test. Basically, get right down to eye level and look straight at the counter surface. From this vantage point, you'll see any crumbs or stains that may exist. And then, of course, you can just treat your counter with an appropriate cleaner. In my kitchen, I have granite counters now, so I use our natural stone cleaner. You can also use an all-purpose cleaner. Number 2. Declutter the fridge. When it comes to the fridge, it's so easy to just load it up with things you think you're going to eat but you never quite get through. Case in point, we have leftovers from Chipotle from 3 nights ago that Chad told me he was going to eat, but for sure has not eaten. When you open up the fridge, even if it's just to grab a snack or to put groceries away, always make sure that you're pulling things out that you know are expired, or are just not going to be eaten. Number 3. Always be pruning. The area under the sink is what we call here at Clean My Space a clutter black hole. It's so simple to just shove something in there that you think you're going to use, but you never quite do. So, just like the fridge, it's important that if you're going in to pull something out, take a quick look and see if there's anything you don't use and get rid of it. The same goes for the utensil drawer. If you're digging around for something and you keep passing over that one utensil that you never quite use, it probably means it's time to go. Number 4. Deep clean one area each week. I know it can be overwhelming to set aside time each day to give your kitchen a good clean. Instead, what I like to do is deep clean one area of the kitchen each week. Pick something that you know can be a little bit overwhelming, heavy-duty, or time-consuming, and do just that single job. I'm talking about things like cleaning your oven racks, your overhead exhaust, your fridge, or those little secret pockets that can get really greasy and grimy. You'll find that by tackling one tough cleaning job each week, it makes daily maintenance much quicker and easier. Number 5. Garbage. Here's something that we can all universally agree on: we cannot stand the smell of garbage. If you have a garbage can, which I'm assuming you do, you probably notice that when you take out the garbage, the cans still have some lingering odors. Over time, these odors sink in and become tough to get rid of. A habit that I want you to get into doing is spraying the garbage can each time you empty it. I like to use full-strength vinegar or a disinfectant, and then give it a quick wipe and rebag it. Number 6. Sparkling sinks. The sink is something that's so easy to keep clean, but it can be inconvenient, especially if you're rushing around doing a bunch of other things in the kitchen. The good news about a sink is that it's actually quite easy to clean. If nothing else, just some baking soda, a sponge, and 45 seconds of your life will get it polished up and pretty clean. Give it a good scrub, a rinse, then grab a microfiber cloth and polish it. That's it. You're done. Now your sink looks amazing. Number 7. Have a routine. There's wanting a clean kitchen, and there's working to have a clean kitchen. Now, I don't particularly like cleaning, but the only way that I can maintain a clean kitchen is to have a routine, a manageable routine that works for me and meets my expectations of what a clean kitchen looks like. To be sure, everybody has a different level of what is meaningful and important to them, which is why you need to establish your own kitchen cleaning routine. Come up with a plan that works for you, and try to stick to it for a period of time so that it just becomes part of your day. Trust me, the more you do it, the easier it'll get, and the more rewarding it will be over time. Hope you liked the video. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like the video to mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.